Okay, JavaScript for Dummies, Tabula Macha. God, this is the submission. This is the code on the left. We have the output on the right. We have the code. This is all from the what is this thing? The template of the HTML. Encoding the UTF-8. I'm guessing English language. Yeah, proper stuff. This is the link to the CSS style sheet, and this is the title of the Chrome tab caption, and that has been what is this thing? The head of the HTML document. Now we have a div right here. It's the robot, the whole thing, and then within the whole div we have another one, sub div, a child div of head, and then we have two elements or objects of type eyes derived from this class, and then we have the left eye, we have the right eye, and then we have a nose and a mouth, and then this has all been within the head. Left eye, right eye, nose, mouth. Okay, now within the rest of the robot, arguably the body of the robot, we have the arm, the right arm, and then we have the body, and then this is the paragraph within the body. That thing is this thing. That is the caption. That is the end of the body div, or we could say it's torso anyway, and this is the div for the left arm derived from the class arm. Yeah, okay, and that has been the whole robot div, and then this is the whole body of the HTML document, and then this is the very end of the HTML document. Now onto the CSS. This is the font set chosen, Comic Sans MS. It's cursive, sans serif. Okay, that is specifically for the body. And what is this thing? A paragraph of 2.5 em. That is 2.5 the standard size. And then within the eye, this is the hexadecimal code for the color, and then this is the width, 30% of the width of the parent object, and then 30% of the height of the parent object, and then this is the border radius. It gives it what is this thing? A soft edge. Yes. So if you were to give it something, a soft edge of 50%, it would be extremely rounded, as we see with these eyes. And then now we go to the arm class. This is the hex code, and then the positioning is absolute. It's based on pixels. No matter how wide, big is the output or whatsoever, or how you change the window, there's nothing relative here. It is on a fixed position depending on the pixel number. The pixel number never changes, thus it is absolute. It is 35% from the top, and then 30% of the current total pixels is the arm. As you can see, it doesn't take up much space width wise, but on height it's a whole lot. So that is the arm. So now we have the head, 30% of the real estate, and 30% of the height and width, which is almost significant, as you can see, proportional. And then this is the border radius. Bam, there we go. Soft edges, 15%, unlike the eyes, which are 50% very round. This is a bit round towards the ends of the borders, which are around 15%. As we can see, once again, a background color on the background, and then the foreground are the objects and the elements we see. So positioning as well, absolute. It is 35% to the left and 5% from the top. Assuming there's 0% left and top, would be this thing over here of the whole web page. So we move from the relative point of wherever we may be, may it be absolute or may it be relative. This is the left and the top, which is the y, and then the x offset. We could also perceive it that way. So I think these things I've already explained: the left, the top, the absolutes. What is this thing? Yeah, from then on it's just, oh yeah, the margins and padding. I should have used pictures. I should have definitely used pictures, because I know I have the content to explain them. But then the margins are on the outside, and then the padding is the thing between the content and the margin, which takes up space for, you know, organizing the web page. I think within that next video I'll have it. And yeah, that has been my submission for chapter, what is this one, 6, chapter 6. Yes, there we go. Thank you very much.